Hi everyone, Krishna this side, and I welcome you all to this channel. So let us understand the trade that I have taken today. What was the entry point and how I quickly exited from the trade within a minute, and the profit that I had made. That those things we will be seeing in this video. So I have taken entry in the Bank Nifty, and if we see here, right? So in the morning it was open gap down, and I was pretty much confident that this week needs to be get filled. That was left yesterday, and I was even confident that the market won't give us any entry point for this day because it will be a quick movement. For in the first two three candles only, we if we get the chance, we should take the trade as an opportunity and enter into the trade. So I was just looking into this chart in a 1 minute time frame, right? So in the first two candles itself, I mean it shows the behavior that it was trying to give us the upside trade opportunity. So yeah, in the third candle, when I saw this third candle on the premium chart, right? So it was behaving differently. So if we look into 1 minute time frame, and let me set it properly, right? Yeah, so on the 16th October, we see here, right? So the premiums were not moving as per uh, the actual how the market was running in the Bank Nifty chart. So yeah, in the third candle, when the third candle shows a the third candle was red. I thought of if any positive candle we see here, I will be taking trade because we won't going to get any chance with this type of trades, and that will be a quick move, and then the market may move sideways, sideways to downtrend. That's what I was expecting into this trade. At least I was expecting that once it reaches to the high of this yesterday's position, it will start coming downside, and we may expect some down trade for some time, and then it may, if there is, I mean, there were some different kind of behaviors. Okay, so how the chart is showing behaviors at the bottom side and all. So I was expecting some down trends in the once we book our profit and all. So yeah, if we see here on the in the premium charts, right? So yep, so in the third, okay, so in this candle itself, I actually tried making the position from my mobile, but unfortunately the order got placed in the limit way. So at around 135 it got placed, and yes, I, because of that was a limit order, so it didn't get executed at all. And then I noticed when the market was moving upside, and I when I saw that there was no position built, so I again canceled that. I mean, I again modified it from the limit order to the market order, and I think it got executed. If we look into the orders, right, it got executed at somewhere around 159 rupees. So yes, some premiums that we needs to grab. Those were I lost those premiums in this trade. But anyway, the entry got created here, and then as I already lost few points, so I was not expecting much from this trade. And yeah, if we see here, right, so premium, I bought premium at around is whatever the premiums that was there at the cost, right? So the market was running around 51,800 and all. So I actually just quickly had those premiums with me and quickly made the position. So it was premium price was less that time. So yes, I made the entry, and then I exited around 225. If we look here, right? So within a minute itself, like this candle moved heavily, and yeah, it has shown some good strength, and then the it was coming downside, I quickly booked because I was pretty much sure that it may get here, hold here itself, and then the premium decay is going to happen. So it was quick trade, so we need to sometime have some quick plannings with these type of trades as well. So immediately where to book at what location, and all those things we needs to have understanding, and that will come with the time only. So yes, I quickly booked the position, the moment I saw some downtrend, because I was not expecting it to move further ahead after this candle. Even though on the spot it has shown this behavior, but the premiums, we can see here, right, the premiums how they have the decade, right. So yes, these behaviors I was quite known for some time, so I quickly booked it at whatever the price I saw there. And if we see, right, so again after this I uh, thought of making another position in the downtrend, because I was not expecting it to move further ahead, and somewhere around here. Okay, here I thought, like, if it has to go down, if this breaks, I'll be making a position. So when once this got broken, right, so in this candle I made my entry, and I thought, like, some small it might hold some time and then it will break. But the even these premiums also, right, the p sides premiums also not moving as per the expectation, so I quickly exited from the trade. So there is no point if premium were not behaving as per our expectation. So the thing is, like, we should exit. I already made some profit, so I thought of closing this position itself. And yeah, it has moved some it has given some positive points as well, but whatever the premiums that I saw, it was not working as per the spots price, so I quickly closed this position as well. So if we see here, right, so this was the profit that I was able to book today. And yeah, any other trades further I took, I may take, I'll be uploading the videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.